Mayer Technologies Company Limited is a beauty accessories manufacturer, which is established in Shenzhen in 2010, and after 11 years of development, we have owned more than 10 production lines, over 100 of the employees and different auto machines and equipment. In order to help on development of different new products to meet the needs of the customers at all times, we have built different in-house teams, including R&D teams, graphic teams, production teams, QC teams, and so on. Our main products are Mega Brush. More than 1,000 Mega Brush sets have been developed in the past. In terms of the customer service, our product have exported to more than 60 countries and regions, including some world-famous brands. From the day we started, we have been creating the greatest value for our customers, and our goal is to do our best to provide an excellent product and professional service for all our customers.